Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To make a dishwasher tablet at home, mix 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of citric acid, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water gradually until the mixture has a sandy texture. Press this mixture firmly into ice cube trays or silicone molds and let them dry for at least 24 hours. These homemade tablets are eco-friendly, cost-effective, and can be easily customized with your favorite scents using essential oils.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.